Time-based routes is the usage of time and scheduling to route calls. Essentially, you'll want to program in your hours of operation, and you can assign what happens when callers call in inside of your hours of operation and outside your hours of operation. So if we take a look at, I'm not exactly sure what these do, but let's click this first one. First off, we can see that there's a default destination. So if there is nothing inside this schedule that matches the rules, it'll be sent to this default destination. In this case, it's extension 144. Let's go ahead and click the name of this route and take a look. So there's only one rule. If the caller calls in between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m., the call will be sent to extension 143. Now if we go back, we can see that the default rule is extension 144. So if they call in outside of 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., it'll go to 144. Let's take a look at this second one here. This also has a single rule. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., calls will get routed to 101. Let's go ahead and add something else. Right now, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. is applied to all 7 days of the week. Let's say that we're only open between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Monday through Friday. So we can see on the left side is the local time range to start, which is the beginning of the day essentially. We have 9 a.m. set here. What we want to do is make sure we have Monday selected on this side and then have it set to 5 p.m. Friday. This adds a range limitation between Monday and Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And right now, it's going to an extension. We'll go ahead and leave that. So now we have changed that route. Now let's say we're open on Saturday for a limited time. So I'll make sure to set Saturday to Saturday. And that essentially limits it to just Saturday hours. We're open from 12 to 4 p.m. And we'll set our destination this time to a ring group called Ring All. So the Test 2 schedule now has two rules. If a caller comes in at Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., it is sent to extension 101. If they call in on Saturday between 12 and 4, it's sent to 242. Now, what happens if they call outside of these rules? Well, we have to go back and we look at the Test 2 schedule. We can see here that by default, they'll be sent to extension 101 if none of the rules apply. Normally, you would probably want to send this to an IVR menu or a virtual receptionist type of thing or a voicemail box. As always, click the Apply Changes when you're done to make sure the PBX saves your work.